Most engines don't fail suddenly. They start dying much earlier than you think. And the worst part? Most drivers never see it coming. I've seen engines with clean service records, regular oil changes, good fuel, still fail before 120,000 miles. Not because something broke overnight, because something small was slowly going wrong, every single drive. And in many cases, it starts with the spark plug, not when it fails, when it drifts. That slow change in ignition, weak spark, incomplete burn. That's where engines begin to lose life. And over time, that turns into carbon buildup, fuel dilution, cylinder wear, and eventually $1,500, $3,000, sometimes $5,000 in repairs. Here's the truth most drivers don't realize. Spark plugs don't just ignite fuel. They control how clean your engine runs, every second it's on. By the end of this video, you'll understand the spark plug trick that can add real engine life, why most people replace them too late, and the one hidden mistake near the end that cancels everything, even if you think you did it right. Secret 10. Waiting for failure. This is where most engines start failing quietly. The mistake: waiting until the engine misfires before replacing spark plugs. It feels logical. If it's not broken, don't fix it. But that's not how ignition systems work. Mechanic insight. In real shops, we rarely see sudden failure. We see gradual decline. Spark weakens. Combustion becomes inconsistent. Fuel doesn't burn completely. You don't feel it right away. But the engine does. Technical breakdown. As the electrode wears, spark gap increases. Voltage demand rises. Ignition becomes unstable. Consequences: small inefficiency leads to carbon buildup. Carbon buildup leads to poor sealing. Poor sealing leads to compression loss. That's how a $100 maintenance job turns into a $2,000 repair. What they don't tell you is, manuals are written to prevent failure, not to maximize lifespan. Action step: replace spark plugs early. If the interval is 100,000 miles, do it at 70,000 to 80,000. That's how you protect the engine, not just keep it running. Secret 9. Using the wrong spark plug. This is one of the biggest hidden mistakes. The mistake: installing cheaper or compatible plugs instead of the correct spec. Mechanic insight. I've seen engines come in after a simple tune-up, running worse than before. Why? Wrong plug type. Technical breakdown. Different plugs handle heat differently. Iridium plugs maintain a sharp electrode. Copper plugs wear faster. That changes combustion stability. Consequences: uneven burn, higher fuel consumption, increased deposits. Over time, that leads to valve contamination, piston buildup, and reduced engine life. Cost: $300 to $800 per year in wasted fuel alone. What they don't tell you is, dealership specs are not about profit. They're about maintaining combustion stability. Action step: always use OEM specified plug type. Not cheaper, not similar, exact match. Secret 8. Ignoring spark plug gap. Most drivers don't realize this matters, but it does. The mistake: installing plugs without checking the gap. Mechanic insight. Even pre-gapped plugs are not always correct. I've checked brand new plugs, out of spec. Technical breakdown. Spark gap controls. Ignition strength. Too wide. Spark struggles under pressure. Too narrow. Weak ignition. Consequences: incomplete combustion, fuel waste, higher emissions, and over time, more deposits inside the engine. What starts as a small gap issue becomes long-term inefficiency. What they don't tell you is, a 0.1 millimeter difference can change combustion quality. Action step: always check and adjust gap before installation, every time. Secret 7. Over-tightening spark plugs. This is one of those mistakes that doesn't show immediately, but it causes damage. The mistake: tightening spark plugs too much. Mechanic insight. I've repaired countless stripped threads in aluminum heads, and almost every time, it came from over-tightening. Technical breakdown. Spark plugs need proper torque. Too tight, you distort the seat. You stress the threads. That affects heat transfer. Consequences: overheating at the plug, potential misfire, thread damage. Worst case, you're looking at a $1,000 to $2,000 repair. What they don't tell you is, hand tight plus a bit more is not a method. Torque matters. Action step: use a torque wrench. Follow spec. No guessing. Secret 6. Ignoring ignition coils. This is where things get interesting, because spark plugs don't work alone. The mistake: replacing plugs, but ignoring the coils. Mechanic insight: I've seen brand new plugs installed with failing coils. No improvement, same rough running. Technical breakdown: coils generate high voltage. Weak coil equals weak spark, even with new plugs. Consequences: misfires under load. Fuel waste, catalytic converter damage. That's a $1,500 to $3,000 problem if ignored. What they don't tell you is, ignition systems are a chain. Weak link anywhere equals weak performance everywhere. Action step: inspect coils when replacing plugs. Replace if needed, not later. Secret 5. Short trips with weak spark. This is where most engines quietly lose years of life. The mistake: frequent short trips with worn or drifting spark plugs. Mechanic insight: I've opened engines from city-driven cars. Low mileage, but heavy internal deposits. Owners thought they were driving less, but they were actually stressing the engine more. Technical breakdown: cold starts require a strong spark, richer fuel mixture, lower temperature, harder ignition conditions. If the spark is weak, fuel doesn't burn completely. Residue stays inside the cylinder. Consequences: carbon buildup, fuel dilution in oil, sludge formation. That's how engines wear faster even at low mileage. What they don't tell you is, short trips are one of the harshest conditions for spark plugs. Action step: if you drive short distances often, replace plugs earlier than scheduled. And this is where it gets serious. Secret 4. Wrong heat range. This is the mistake most drivers don't even know exists. The mistake: using a spark plug with the wrong heat range. Mechanic insight: I've seen engines with persistent carbon buildup. Even with new plugs, the issue wasn't the plug, it was the heat range. Technical breakdown: heat range controls how quickly the plug dissipates heat. Too hot, overheating leads to pre-ignition risk. Too cold, carbon buildup leads to fouling. Consequences: unstable combustion, deposits inside the chamber, reduced efficiency. Over time, that leads to poor sealing and increased wear. What they don't tell you is, heat range is not optional. It's critical to combustion stability. Action step: stick to OEM heat range, unless you fully understand why you're changing it. Secret 3. Fuel quality versus spark quality. Now this is where people get misled. The mistake: upgrading spark plugs, but ignoring fuel quality. Mechanic insight: I've seen engines with premium plugs still showing heavy deposits because the fuel was inconsistent. Technical breakdown: combustion depends on both. Spark quality, fuel quality. Bad fuel burns unevenly, leaves more residue. Even a perfect spark can't fix that. Consequences: carbon buildup, reduced fuel efficiency, plug contamination. That contamination shortens plug life, which restarts the cycle. What they don't tell you is, you can't upgrade your way out of bad fuel. Action step: use consistent, reliable fuel. Not necessarily premium, but clean and stable. Secret 2. Not letting the engine clean itself. This is where things start to connect. The mistake: never driving the engine hard enough to burn off deposits. Mechanic insight: I've disassembled engines that were driven gently all their life, but full of carbon. Technical breakdown: spark plugs are self-cleaning, but only at higher temperatures. If the engine never reaches that range, carbon accumulates. Consequences: fouled plugs, poor combustion, reduced performance. Over time, that leads to misfires and wear. What they don't tell you is, Driving too gently all the time is not healthy. Action step: occasionally, let the engine reach higher RPM under safe conditions. Not abuse, just enough to clean the system. At this point, you're starting to see the pattern. It's not just about replacing spark plugs. It's about maintaining combustion quality over time. If you've learned something already, this is exactly the kind of detail that saves engines and saves money. And the next part is where everything comes together. Because the final secret is what actually adds those extra 50,000 miles, and most drivers completely miss it. Secret 1. Controlling combustion before it fails. This is the one almost nobody gets right, and this is where engines either last or slowly die. The mistake: treating spark plugs as a replace when needed part, instead of a system that controls combustion every second. Mechanic insight: after years of tear-down work, there's a pattern. Engines that last 200,000 to 300,000 miles don't just have good oil, they have clean, stable combustion. And that starts with the spark. Technical breakdown: spark plugs don't stop working suddenly. They degrade. Electrode wears, gap increases, spark weakens. That changes how fuel burns. Slower flame front, incomplete combustion, more residue. You won't notice it immediately, but the engine does. Consequences: fuel dilution increases. Oil breaks down faster. Carbon builds up in rings and valves. That leads to compression loss, higher wear, lower efficiency, and eventually $2,000 to $5,000 in repairs. What they don't tell you is, by the time you feel a misfire, damage has already been happening for thousands of miles. The actual spark plug trick. It's simple, but most drivers never do it. Replace spark plugs before they degrade enough to affect combustion. Not when they fail, before they drift. If your interval is 100,000 miles, replace at 70,000 to 80,000. 60,000 miles, replace at 45,000 to 50,000. Earlier, if you do short trips, you drive in heavy traffic, you notice slight drops in efficiency. Why this works: you're not fixing a problem, you're preventing one. You keep combustion clean, complete, stable. That protects cylinder walls, piston rings, valves over time. That's what adds those extra 50,000 miles. Hidden reason engines fail. Here's the truth most drivers never hear. Engines don't fail because of one big event. They fail because of accumulation, small inefficiencies, repeated thousands of times. Weak spark, incomplete combustion, minor deposits. Each one adds a little damage until it becomes a major problem. That's the domino effect, and spark plugs sit at the start of that chain. 3 rules of long-lasting engines. After seeing thousands of engines, these are the rules that always show up. Rule 1. Combustion quality matters more than you think. Clean combustion equals clean engine. Weak combustion equals contamination. Everything starts there. Rule 2. Small parts control big outcomes. Spark plugs are cheap, but they control the entire burn process. Ignore them, and you affect everything else. Rule 3. Prevention beats repair. By the time something fails, you've already lost money. The goal is to act before symptoms. Checklist before 100,000. If you want your engine to last, replace spark plugs early. Check ignition coils. Use correct oil and change on time. Monitor fuel quality. Drive long enough to reach full temperature. Avoid constant short trips. Clean intake system if needed. Replace air filter regularly. Check PCV valve. Keep cooling system healthy. Simple steps, but they prevent expensive problems. 100,000 miles is a turning point. This is where engines either stay strong or start breaking down. And the difference isn't luck, it's habits. Most drivers wait for problems. That's why they pay for them. You don't have to. You now understand something most drivers don't. Spark plugs don't just ignite fuel.